英検第2回試験までもう間もなく。対策講座のお申し込みはお早めに。
Hello, this is an Inter-Thomas dictation challenge. I am Mr. Deere, and today we are going to be talking about the duel. The dual pistol or sword. The image of the duel remains vivid in the imagination of people around the world. The French, in particular, are famous for their love of the duel. A dispute over a game of billiards ended on September 4th, 1843, in a duel. The weapon was billiard balls. It only took one throw, and a man was dead. The last known duel in France was in 1967. That's right, 1967. It was fought with swords to first blood. The combatants were Gaston Defferre and Rene Ribiere, two politicians with a score to settle. Ribiere dangerously refused to accept his loss after first blood, but when he was cut a second time, the mediator intervened and prevented further injuries.